Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and today I'm going to be doing the price reveal for the Timeless Memories, a vintage YouTube hop. As of today, Friday the 21st, all comments will be closed. So if you have not gone ahead and checked out the hop videos, then you still have a chance to go and comment. I'm going to be closing down the commentary by 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will be announcing the winner this Sunday. So you guys, the items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today are things that were sent to me by Monamigabby. Yes, I'm super excited. I've been waiting for these items for quite some time, but I finally received them. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you guys the first part of this. The second part of this video, which I will be uploading a little bit after this, is going to be another share from Monamigabby that I'm going to be doing with you guys. But this is going to be for the price package. Okay, you guys? So here it is. And there's a little bit of everything in this package, you guys. So let's go ahead and start pulling some things out. So I gotta go here and there. So I'm gonna leave a link to Monamigabby down below. Thank you so much, Monamigabby, for sending these items to me. You know, I know that we had a little bit of a crazy upheaval with the packaging, but I'm so appreciative and thankful to you, and very, very grateful for your contribution into the Timeless Memories, a vintage hop. So thank you so much for that, you guys. Like I said below, I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below. They have all different kinds of things like lace, and all different kinds of things, which you'll get a little bit better view of those things on my next video that I'll be sharing with you guys, and that's gonna be for like projects and things like that I'm gonna be doing. So you guys, here we go. So we have some flowers. And we have them in white and cream. Oops. So we have some little roses in white and in cream. We also have this really pretty, like tiny little flowers, this really pretty trim. It's got these really pretty flowers, and I'm hoping that my lighting is good so that you guys can see. Let me see if I just try to adjust the focus a little bit. So super cute. Let me see if I can find something that I can use as a backing so that you guys can see. There we go. Look how pretty that is. And you have quite an amount here. So it's going to be this little trim, this little rainbow flower trim. We have this really pretty pink rickrack. I think that's what you guys call it. I never knew what to call it. I used to call it the zigzag trim. So this really pretty rickrack in pink. We also have some of these silver leaves. This trim right here in silver. You guys know I love my metallics. We have some yellow pom-poms. We have some loose flowers here. Now, if you guys pretty much like how I do with mixed media, if you guys don't like the color, you can always gesso them. You can spray them with different colors. You can paint over them. You can alter them. You can do all different kinds of things, and there's quite a few in here of those. So if that is not necessarily your color, don't fret, you can always change it up. Here we have some of this little trim right here. And this is, again, their store name. If I can focus it. Let's see. There we go. Monamigabby. Yes, Couture Accents. This is really pretty. Really cute for like a baby's album, or even if you're doing something vintagey. It's got a really nice color to it. So I'm going to include that. We also have some zebra trim as well. You guys can see quite a few. Quite a nice amount. We also have this one. This is white and brown. We have some sequins in purple. We have some sequins in green. We have this mesh, and we have quite an amount here as well. And this is in green. I don't need to put this in the bag. And we have it in yellow. We also have it in this beautiful turquoise color. And we also have this pretty trim right here. Really nice for like a spring themed project. Very springy kind of colors. And we also have this cute little dress. It comes with this really cute hanger. And this is a knitted dress. Super adorable. These are embellishments that are from the Monamigabby store. We also have these cute little masks, masquerade masks with these cute little black and white feathers behind it. It's got a nice little bow. And we have two of those. We also have this little trim right here. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can undo it so you guys can get a better sense of what it is. It's got like these tiny little loops. And you have quite an amount there. As well as this lace trim right here. Really, really pretty. They have all different kinds of laces and trims and just all different kinds of awesome goodies at their store. So if you've never been there, definitely go and check it out. I'm sure that you'll find some things that you will like. And also these little black tassels. So you're going to get 3 of these. So this is the price package for the Timeless Memories, a vintage YouTube pop. What I'm going to need from you guys is you must be subscribed. You must comment on each of the videos. I'm going to go ahead and cross-reference and just make sure that everybody is subscribed. Everybody is subscribed that has commented, as well as that they've commented on all 5 videos. If you've missed a video, then unfortunately you won't be entered into this. You must comment on all 5 videos in order to be eligible for this prize. If you're not interested in the prize and you just watched it to support, that's awesome. You can also just say that in the comments in this video, and then I won't put you in for the drawing. Hopefully you'll want to be entered into the drawing. If I do not have your address, you're gonna definitely need to send me that when I do the announcement, which again is gonna be this Sunday. I'm just giving you guys the heads up on the rules so that you guys know what it is when I come on and do the winner drawing. You're going to need to email me, whoever the winner is, and don't put the winner's name in the comment section down below when you guys see that video. So thank you all so very much. I'm going to go ahead and package all of these things back up, and then I'm going to move on to my next video, which is going to be sharing with you guys some of the items that I received from Monamigabby to do some projects. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for you know, following us throughout this journey. Thank you so much to Isabel, who's crafting with Isabel Labori. I'm so sorry for all the background noise. I've tried to stop the video a whole bunch of times and the noise just keeps coming. So it's raining here in New York today and the streets are really kind of busy, and I really wanted to get this video out and share with you guys you know, the items that I received. I just got them, so I'm super excited, and I hope to be able to bring you guys more items and more things like this in future upcoming hops. So thank you all so much. Remember, subscribe, hit that bell if you haven't hit that bell. You must comment on all 5 videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.